Okay, let's see if we can do this quick and easy. On the right hand side where my mouse is right now is a logo that was presented last night, wondering if it could be created. Over here on the left is the logo I actually created, and I'm going to push that out of the way right now and see if we can real quickly show you how I did this. Okay, first of all, we're going to use the trace command. We're going to go up to Path, Trace Bitmap. Okay, with the trace bitmap here, we're going to have colors. And if you look, there is black, white, red, flesh, gray, and gold. So we start looking to see what colors actually disappear on the side. And it looks like we're going to have to stay with 8. I'm removing the background, unchecking the smooth, and the stack scans I want off as well. So we're going to hit OK, and we're going to show you how I went about doing this, kind of in a cheating way, but not. Okay, we're going to pull, this is our scan over here. This is the original. We don't need these trace anymore. So remember I said earlier that when you scan something or trace it, it groups it. So we have to ungroup everything. Now we're going to start tearing things apart. Obviously we can't use that. And we can't use that. And that's not much help either. Nor is that. That we can use, and this we can use. Everything else we don't need, so we'll delete it. Okay. All right. We've got our piece up here, and I'm going to go down and I'm going to click on the black and make sure that's as black as it can be, and it looks like it is. Okay, now I'm going to take this gold and I'm going to look at the original image to the right, and I'm going to try and place this about where it needs to be. And that looks pretty good right about there. Okay. The next thing I want to do is I want to make all this the red color. So we come over here to the eyedropper. We click on the eyedropper, and we come over here and click on the red. Now we go over here and grab the bucket tool. Okay, that's been chosen. Now we come over here. Now the eyedropper tool just put the red in the bucket. So we're going to click here, and that looks pretty good. I'm going to go up and change that. Now we have a few other things that are red involved as well. Pieces of his cloak. Okay, we're going to click that one and that one. And we're going to click up here, and here, and here, and here. And this one right here. Okay. Now, we're going to go back to the eyedropper tool again, and we're going to get a flesh tone. We're going to click on the flesh tone here, one click, and we're going to go over and pick the bucket tool up again, and we're going to add flesh tone here, here, and here. Okay. We're almost done. Only 2 more things we need. We need the gray here, and we need words. Okay. So, as far as the gray goes, there's not a whole lot we can do about just clicking and filling it. We're going to go back to our Bezier tool. All right. And then we're going to come over here to the original piece, and I'm going to start here, and I'm going to click and go here, 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 back down here, 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 and here. Now I'm going to click on my select tool. Notice I don't want that filled, I want a line. So I'm going to click on the white X to get rid of my fill, hold down my shift key and click on the black. And that gave me, well actually I think I'm going to use red because it's a little easier to see. Go back to my Bezier tool again, and then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to put my other trace in. And we're just going to simply trace. And it doesn't matter, these lines are overlapping each other. We'll take care of it. Now we go to our node edit tool, and we start by adjusting these like we did before. You just drag them, and if you need to use a handle, grab the node. You do a little tweaking, you just kind of watch what you're doing. And you just take care of these things. All right. And then we'll go over here, we'll click on this one, and we'll start here. And we'll come on down to this one. We'll grab that handle there, move it in, grab this handle here, move that, and we'll grab this here, and this one goes in here, and this one goes in here, and we grab that. All right, and let's see, we grab that node, hold the shift key down, grab the second node, and we just want to nudge that back a little bit. Okay, now we have a slight issue over here on this side. Okay, so we've got to fix that. Back to the Bezier tool, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a rectangle. I'm going to click here, down here, 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 and then I'm going to come down and I'm going to do it again here where my space is. Come down here, 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 and here. All right, back to the select tool. This one has already been selected. Hold the shift key down and select the whole piece. Go up here to path, difference. It's gone. Okay, this piece is already selected. We're going to select the second one that we've got here, and if you'll notice down here it says 2 objects selected. We go back up here to path, difference. All right, it's done. Now back to the select tool, grab both of these, make them gray, hold the shift key down, hit the white X, and the red outline disappears. Now I'm going to click and hold down, and I'm going to drag these over here, and I'm going to set them in here and tweak them just a little bit so they fit. And except for the text, we have the piece done. And let's see, I got 8 minutes. I'm doing good. Now here's how we do the text. I'm going to grab my circle, oval tool, and I'm going to start by making me an oval or a circle. All right, I'm going to left click on the white X to remove the outline or the fill. Hold down my shift key, hold down my control key. I'm getting ahead of myself here. And we want to kind of put the circle somewhere here and make it conform to the existing circle. Then we go to our text tool, and the first word is Stafford. And I happen to know what that font is already. It's College. Okay. It's a little bit large, so we're going to hold down the control key and grab a corner and bring it down just a little bit. Now here comes the fun part. With the text chosen, we're going to hold the shift key down and click on that circle. We're going to go up to text, put on path. All right. Now we're going to unclick everything, click back on the path, the circle, Click once, click twice. Now that we're clicked the second time, we can spin this around to about where we want it. Zoom out just a little bit so we can see. I see that we need to make that a little bit larger, so it's about where I want it. Now we'll click on the text. We'll actually double click on it, and we'll go up to here, and we'll just start increasing this number here. And if you'll watch, the actual text is moving. Okay. All right. Click out. I want to click that circle again, double click it. I want to adjust it. Now, I want to go up into my path and say, select path to object. Okay. And just double do it just to make sure. I'm going to need the circle, so I'm going to leave it there. But in the interim, I can go ahead and click on that and make it white. And then we'll go in and we'll type out Spartans. All right, again, the font is College. There it is. Apply that. And we have that chosen. Hold the Shift key, select your circle. Text, put on path. There it is. Click once, click twice. Now we can actually spin it around. But we got a problem. It's upside down. We don't want it that way. So, with the text with the circle chosen, we go up here to flip selected objects vertically. All right. Now you see what happened? It put the text on the inside of the circle. Well, we're closer than we were. So now, holding the Shift and Control key down, and the circle being selected, we pull this out to about where it needs to be. Right there. Double click on the text, go back up here, and increase the number and watch the text move until it's similar to what we have to the right, our sample to go by. And we're just about there now. And now we go up here to our select tool, path, object to path. We do not need the circle here anymore, so we can delete it. Choose this, make it white. There is a vector image. Grab it all, group it. And we have a completed piece. And this is all vector. I hope this has been valuable to you and this has been enjoyable, as it has been for me. And that's how easy it was to do this thing last night. It didn't take very long at all. I hope you're enjoying these. Till next time, see ya.